Welcome to the session of Boyles Law. In this experiment, we are going to verify Boyles Law by quill tube method. Aim to verify Boyles Law by using quill tube apparatus. The apparatus we are going to use in this experiment is quill tube, retort stand, meter scale. Quill tube apparatus consists a long glass capillary tube closed at one end and opened at the other end. There is a mercury pellet. The air column is there from the lower end of mercury pellet to the closed end of the quill tube. This quill tube is connected to a wooden scale and the wooden scale is fixed to retort stand. Let us consider the quill tube and take the readings corresponding to different positions of the quill tube. We start with the horizontal position of the quill tube. First, we have to consider the lower end which is fixed corresponding to the quill tube, that is closed end. From this closed end, which coincides with 0 of the scale, we have to measure the air column up to one end of the mercury thread. The distance from the closed end to this end of the mercury thread is the length of air column. For horizontal position, the length of air column is 11.6 centimeters. Now, we are going to take the readings H1 and H2. Place the meter scale on the table with its position vertical to the table, coinciding with one end of mercury pellet. 56.8 centimeter is H1, and now place it on the other end of the mercury thread. Again we measure the height H2 by coinciding with the other end of the thread. It is also 56.8 centimeters. Now, the second reading is taken by tilting the quill tube at some inclination. The air column is taken from the closed end, and now its length is 11.1 centimeter. Now, we have to measure H1 and H2 with the help of a meter scale. The reading H1 is taken by keeping the meter scale nearer to the closed end, that is at 11.1 centimeter. Keep straight, and now the reading is 54.7 centimeters. Now, the reading H2 at the other end of the mercury thread is taken by keeping the scale straight, and it is 57.9 centimeters.
Now, we plot the graph by taking h values on x-axis and 1 by L values on y-axis. We consider a suitable scale. On x-axis, 1 cm is equal to 10 centimeters. On y-axis, 1 centimeter is equal to 0.01 centimeters. Now, from the observations, for h is equal to plus 7.3, L is equal to 10.7. Therefore, 1 by L is equal to 0.09345. Plot the point plus 7.3, 0.09345 on the graph. Similarly, plot all the points on the graph. Now, join all the points. We observe that it is a straight line. Now, we extend this line backwards to meet the x-axis. This line intercepts on negative x-axis. This value gives us the value of atmospheric pressure. From the graph, it is 76 centimeters. Therefore, the atmospheric pressure from the graph is 76 centimeters of Hg.
Thus, we conclude Boyles Law verification by quill tube method.